Okay, now also I think I said in your group 2 people. Okay, you want to group 2 people, I have some work. Okay, next Thursday they will want to summarize the practical 1, practical 2, practical 3, practical 4 and practical 5. What I didn't tell anything for you, what next week you also want to summarize in practical 1 to until practical 6. Okay, I call one students for practical 1 students for practical 2, one students for practical 3, like that I arrange it. Okay, then you want to summarize this practical on next week, Tuesday. Okay. Okay, I think we are coming to faculty from this Monday onward. Okay, then I think you also your vaccinated date also in 7 and 8 of this month you can vaccinate near to your any university. It's possible. You are studying in Jaffna University, but you are living in Kandy. You can vaccinate there near to university. Okay, it's possible. Okay, then you go and vaccinate. It is good. I think you are come this month or next month. Okay, I don't know what you are vaccinated is good. Okay, I will now call. Jamsika. Okay, what are they studying under the last class? Okay, under the compost making, what are they studying?
It has 3 methods.
Your sound is not English the volume.
It has 3 methods.
Okay.
There are keep method,
Yes.
parallel method,
Yes.
and fit method.
Yes.
Then we use some materials for this brown
material,
green material.
Yes.
Kitchen wastes.
Yes. Okay, very good. Where are from? What is the name? Jansiga. Where are from?
Jaffna.
Okay, Jaffna where?
Nirveli.
Jamsigawa, Jansigawa.
Jamsiga.
Okay. I will call. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Kansika. Okay, AG 052. AG 052.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will start the compost making in home. Hello.
Can you tell again, sir?
You start the compost making assignment. I will give one assignment. Compost making in com level. Are you started?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many days until today?
3.
3?
2 days.
2 days. I think you are started just now this week. I think
Yes.
Saturday or Sunday. Okay. What are the materials used?
Cow menu.
What are the materials used for that compost making?
Cow menu.
Yeah. Cattle manure. Yeah.
Dry leaves.
Dry leaf.
Green leaves.
Green leaves. What are the green leaves used?
Gradesia.
Yes. Okay, you are tell how man you are studying animal science, no? How is male or female? Cow? Yeah, cattle is the common words. Cow is male words or female animal?
Female.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you. Okay, you want to take the photos in your compost making and you want to label it very clearly, date and what are things, name. Okay, you want to label it and make the PDF and you want to send it end of the this semester. I think you are now finishing 6 week. Then theory class also you are finishing in 12 class. I think weekly 2 class, no? Okay, then sometimes next week you want to face a quiz exam. Okay, that's it. You want to arrange the. You need the 2 device for you. One is we want to on your video. Other device is you want to do the quiz exam in LMS. Okay, LMS quiz exam. I think 30 or 40 question. Okay, that is the allocated time also 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Whatever do you are doing or not, after the 30 minutes or 50 or 40 minutes, that is automatically closed, automatically submitted. If you are one student, you are finishing only 20 question, you can get the marks for that 20 question. Others are 0. Others 20 are 0. Okay, your time management is very important for you are know very well know in A level also you know all the things, but you can't do within that duration of the time. That is the issue for all the students. Okay, so time is the limiting factor for your exam or any exam, A level or SLAS, SLES or any exam. Time is the very important limiting factor. Okay, then you want to practice. Okay, you ask from senior how to do the quiz exam in LMS, how to do the hiring your seniors. All of you finish the economy quiz and mid exam through the online. Okay, that quiz exam you are whatever you are in home or you are in physically attempt you want to do in online. Okay, in physically you want to online, no need any camera or anything. You want to do the online in LMS in our laboratory of the IT. In com level you want to do through the online. One device you want on Zoom, other device you want on the camera. Okay, okay, we will move to the today. Okay, one student put the message. Employees. Okay, AG, what is the department? Students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, where are from?
Trinco Town, sir.
Okay, then no place.
Yes, my house is 3 pages only.
Okay.
House also.
Okay, okay, wait a minute. is calling that I, okay, talking with her. Okay, one student, I think department student, yeah, are you only 3?
Yes, sir, 3 pages.
Okay, and one senior from Ringomali, you know, I think he also department in coconut board.
But yes, sir, I don't know, but I know 30 years senior.
38, I don't know who is that, name is Aswar, I think.
No, sir, I am in Town, but I know Dinesh Khan.
Then, okay, then you can write that barrel method, I think you can write easily. I think that is no need big place. Are you department, you can have a lot of experience, no? Related to subject and all the things.
Yes, sir.
Then you can do it, that barrel method or bin method. You are right. You are right. I think you can use pitch in wedge only. That is no need to be a big place. Small place, place is enough, no? That's why you can use.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then another one students put the message, sir, cannot be used the one device. Okay. Here one device for the video and LMS. Okay. That put. Okay, because you have one issue, you can use mobile phone. You cannot accept the LMS and Zoom 2 years parallelly, because you are on the video in Zoom, you are back and go to the LMS, that Zoom camera is automatically off. That is the issue. Okay, that is the issue you can choose. Okay, automatically off. Okay, in your laptop also you can use 2 device. Only we can see only your space only. Okay, you can on the device and you can do the LMS. We can see only your space, but we want to see your place, surrounding place. Okay, what are things you want to write exam? That's you are okay. You are example. You are put the some notice in your ball. You can look there. You are doing the exam. You easily you can copy and paste no answer. That's why we can using 2 devices. We want to look your surrounding area also in your table. What are the seat available? What are the books available? Okay, we want to check. That's why we want to need 2 devices. Exam only 1 hour or 2 hours, no. That's why you can use your brother's or sister mobile or father mobile also. Okay, that is not a matter. You can consider. This is I just tell as the advice, as the senior, not that this, not the madam or Miss Dean or anything didn't tell for me. Tell to junior, tell to you. Okay, I will tell as a senior. Okay, now you are senior also. Some lot of people are faced a lot of issue nowadays during the exam time. We are going to exam duty. That's why I give some advice. Okay, if you want, you can take it. Otherwise, you can leave it. Okay, now we will start the today session. Okay, only 26 slide, very less than, not big one, but very important one. Okay, that is the okay. Okay, I think practical 1, 2, 3. Okay, before that I will check that LMS also we want to check. Okay, I group 1, practical number 4. Okay, I don't know how is your members. 68% are submitted. Okay, I don't know which the missing 2 students. I think missing. I don't know. And oh, very poor. Practical number 63. I think 7 or 8 students are absent. Okay, you difficult to pass some issue during the practical exam time. I don't know. I always I am telling for you. As a senior, I am telling lot of advice. I think others, I think didn't tell anything. Your others department or other practical class, they didn't tell anything. As the seniors, I tell lot of advice for you because we are studying time also. Anyone didn't tell anything. That's why we are focused on study. We are focused others in university activity and other things. That's why I am one of the seniors for you. That's why I am telling you a lot of advice. Okay. What you now 7 or 8% missing? I don't know. You can do. Okay, practical number 6. Okay, under the practical number 6, we want to study leaf area measurement and weight measurement. 2 things. Okay, leaf area measurement and weight measurement. Okay, leaf is we cannot measure easily because every leaf have the very different shape. Banana leaf, coconut leaf, mango leaves, orange leaf, lot of leaves. Okay, that our leaves have the different shape. Okay, we can difficult to measure that leaf area. Okay, that's why we can use some meters for we can use some method for measure the leaf area. Okay, that's why I am teaching today. Okay, introduction. Okay, we have the leaf area index. That one is important. That is asked from your spot exam. What is the meaning of leaf area index? This one is very important for your spot exam. Okay, introduction. What is they ask what is the meaning of leaf area index? Very simple. Leaf area index means leaf area under the land area. Okay, leaf area over under the land area is the leaf area index. Leaf area index is unitless. Here no unit. That's why it is the unitless. Because here also area, here also meter squared, here also meter squared. You can cut meter squared under the meter squared. That's why you have the index. I think you are studying A level also some index. All index I think don't have the unit. Okay, that's why here leaf area index also unitless. Okay, method of leaf area measurement. They have the 2 method. Okay, one is destructive method. Second one is non-destructive method. Destructive method means you can remove the leaf from the tree. Okay, non-destructive you cannot remove. Okay, that is very difficult because we can't remove all the leaves. Okay, you cannot measure the one leaf. You want to measure the 15 or 100 leaf, then you want to find out the average of their leaf area or weight. Okay, because every leaf have the very size and weight also different. That's why we want to find out the average. Okay, then this method is normally not used because one of the crop is very economic part is leaf. Okay, you can remove the leaf and measure. Difficult, no? I think tobacco, okay, that is the economic part is leaf. Okay, you can remove the leaf and measuring is very difficult, no? That's why it is not used, but used in under the another economic part without the leaf. Anywhere we have the another economic part, you can use that one also, because you can remove lot of leaf. That is effect also. Photosynthesis also affected, no? Okay, that's why this one is not used. Okay, then non-destructive method. Okay, in your attempt to physically, we can teach all the things how to measure. Okay. Okay, destructive method, measure the leaf area after the removal of the leaf from and measure it. Okay, this is the destructive method. Okay. Here, same leaf of the plant cannot be used for all the times. Okay, because after you are remove the one leaf and keep 5 minutes or 10 minutes, after their water also evaporated from that leaf. That leaf is going to die condition or dry condition. Okay, then we can use same leaf all the times because this is changed now. That's why we cannot use. Okay. Okay, that's a issue. Okay, there are 5 methods. Disc method or punch method. Okay, here I have the disc method. What is the disc method and punch method? Okay, I will teach. Okay, then planimeter method and creep method or crop method. Then leaf standard method. Okay, then green leaf area meter method. Here I have the only 5 method. Okay, we want to see what are the 5 method, how to measure it. Okay, very important things. Then non-destructive method, here have also 2 methods. Okay, taking the measurement when the leaf are attached in the plant. Okay, when we want to take the reading in leaf are attached in the plant. Okay, there are 2 methods. Portable leaf area meter method. Second one is length and width method. L and W method. Length and width method. Okay, we also okay. Here we have the destructive method. One is the disc method or punch method. Okay. Here you have the press bait method. Here you have that disc method and punch method also divided in 2 methods. One is press bait method. Second one is dry bait method. Okay, 2 method. Okay, you can. Okay. Okay, remove the leaves from the plant randomly. You can't remove the leaf from selected leaf because you are all are selected. You are like in the big leaf or beauty leaf or different shape leaf. Okay, that is not good. Okay, you want to select or remove the leaf randomly. Okay, take the minimum 25 leaf. Okay, more than 25 is good. Minimum you want to remove the 25 leaves and get there the press weight. Okay, that is you can easily measure using the digital balance. Okay, so that weight is M1 gram. Okay, take the 25 disc by coal maker. Okay, I will explain what are things. Take the 25 disc in every leaf, 1 disc, and using the coal maker or leaf puncher. Okay, or cork borer. Okay, from the each leaf, then get the punctured leaf. Okay, measure the weight of the 25 leaf disc punctured leaf. That weight is M2 gram. Okay. After then we have calculation. Okay, I will explain what are things. Okay. What is the disc method or punch method? Okay. Okay. I don't know how to draw the. Okay. Okay, you assume this one as the leaf. Okay, you want to because the leaf are different shape. The leaf is triangular or circular or any shape. You can easily measure their area and weight. But leaf are not that shape. It's typical shape. Okay, we can know any equation for calculate that area. Okay, that's why we can using this method. Okay, you want to select the 25 leaf. I am showing you here one leaf. You want to using that leaf puncher or cork borer, you want to remove the one disc from the one leaf. Okay, you assume this one as a one disc. One disc mean circular shape. Okay, how to row? I don't know circular. Okay. Okay, this one I think circle. Okay, okay, you can remove it. Okay, this one of one circle is you can remove it, and you can measure that diameter. How to measure? Here to here is the diameter. You are studying in O level and A level, all the things. This one is diameter. Okay, you can divide that by 2. You can get the R. Then you can find out that their area. What is the equation for circle? Phi r squared. Okay, what is the equation? Phi r. Sorry, I don't know how it using whiteboard. Okay, pi r squared. You know pi is meaning is 22. Okay, why 7? I think correct. 22. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I forgot. Okay, then you can put the R. What are things you are? Meter or centimeter or anything. You can. I assume as the 7 centimeters. Sorry, 7 meter, not 7 meter. Because leave no, we can assume as the 7 centimeter. Okay, then you can divide that by this one in this one. Then R squared no. Then here also 1 7. Okay, then you can multiply I think 7 to 2, 14, 4, then 14 to 5. I think this one is correct. You can measure the 100. Sorry.
Square.
Okay, centimeter square. You can measure then one disc of the area 154 centimeters square. Then you remove one disc from one leaf. And how many you are selected? 25 leaf. And you can remove the 25 disc. Okay. Then I call it as this is 154 centimeter. I call it as the I go easy to equation. That's why I take the A centimeter squared. Okay, I will take A. One disc is A centimeter squared. We are selected 25 leaf and remove the 25 disc. Then 25. How many total area? How much? Okay, one disc area is A centimeter squared. We are remove the one circle from one leaf. We are using 25 leaf. Then how much area?
25.
Okay, 25 A. Okay, then you can easily, because it's whiteboard difficult to writing, that size like this. Okay, 25 A. Okay, then you can easily, that is apply. Okay, you can, then after that you want to measure that weight. You are removing one disc from one leaf, then you now have the 25 disc. Okay, then weight of that okay, that disc leaf weight you can take as the M2. Okay, already before remove the disc, you want to measure all the leaves. No, that weight it mean press leaf. Okay, press leaf weight is, or remove the disc. Press leaf weight is M1. You are studying already. Okay, now we want to measure. Okay, that M2 weight have the 25 A centimeter squared or any unit area. Okay, M2 weight have the 25 A area. Okay, that's why M1 how much? You are studying already. 2 mambla means 1 row. 2 mambla means 20 rupees. Then 10 mamblang, 10 mango, how much? Like that. M2 weight is 25A squared. Then M1 how much? Okay, I will tell. Okay, here. Okay, you can find area of the A disk. One disk. A mean one disk. Okay, A centimeter squared. Okay, area of the 25 disk, 25 A centimeter squared. Okay, truss weight of the 25 leaves M1 gram. Okay, truss weight of 25 disk leaves M2 gram. Okay, then area of the 25 leaves M2, this M2 gram have 25 A centimeter squared. So divided by M2 and multiply by M1. M1 is total weight. So how much area? You can easily find it. Have one equation, area of the number of leaves, N leaves. You are studying, okay, already studying that type of equation, lot of things. Okay, M2 weight have the A centimeter, this is the equation, M1 over M2 into N into A. A mean one disk area. N mean you are how many or how much disk are removed from leaves. Okay, M2 is N number of the removed disk leaf weight. Okay, M1 is number of you are using 100 leaf, weight of 100 leaves. Then you can get the easily, you can get in unit in centimeters squared, then you can change to convert to meters squared or kilometers, anything. Okay, now up to now you are understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Understood? Boys? Okay. Then we want to already measure the truss weight of 25 leaves M1. Okay. Then truss weight of 25 disc leaf is M2. Okay. Then area of the 25 leaves M1 over M2 into 25 A centimeter squared, because M2 weight is 25 A centimeter squared. Then M1 how much? Then divided by M2 and multiply by M1. This is the equation. Okay, understood or not? Understood or not? Others?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Okay, I have one of the aim. You want to, any students, you want to understand all the things. In my studying time also, I also very poor knowledge in English. Now also, I don't know. We are not understand anything during the lectures time. Okay, that's it.
How to measure the M2?
What is that?
How to measure the M2?
N. You ask
M2.
M2. You can easily write now digital balance available now. Any weight, any less than weight, you are I think minimum 0.1 gram also you can measure using digital balance in laboratory also available. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, then you can measure and you can take, you want to memorize, not memorize, you can understand how to this equation is developed. That's enough, I think. Okay, advantage, commonly used method. Okay, this one is easily used. Anyone can use, no? Then easy method and accurate method. Okay, disadvantage, plus weight is changing with the time by. Okay, you can measure you can take 1 hour for doing this type of practical. Okay, you are removing time, it's weight is I think normal weight. After that, after 1 hour, that weight is less, because some weight are lost from by the evaporation. Water are lost. Okay, then weight is reduced. Okay, that is the thing here advantage, because we are removing the disk in our leaf separate. That's why here mention it. Okay, then we have the right weight method. That also same. Area of the disk is a centimeter square. Then area of 25 disk, 25 a centimeter square. Dry weight of 25 disk leaf is M3. Here you are looking at dry weight method. Okay, then dry weight of the 25 disk leaf is M3 gram. Okay, then dry weight of the balance leaves is M4 gram. Okay, area of the 25 leaves M3 gram this much of area. Then total area. Okay, we here have one typical. I will ask. In here we can measure the press leaf weight is M1. Okay, then after disk is removed, that weight is M2. Here also we can remove the leaves and allow to drying. After we want to measure that weight, then dry leaf weight is M3, and after removal disk weight is M4. Like that we can do calculation. But here mention it, 25 disk leaf is M3, then dry weight of the balance leaf. Balance leaf means after the remove the disk, because only we are removing the one circle disk. Then after removing that disk, that balance weight. Okay, why we are using this type of method? Then we are that press weight we are easily measure. No? Here, then here also we can use no after the removal disk, then balance weight of the leaves. That we can calculate no. But in here, but not calculate like this here. Okay, then here calculate like this. Why? Anyone? For me? Okay, tell.
Mass is in dry leaf, mass is very low. So this contain very low mass. So large part gives very.
But here also we measure the disk leaf, no? Dry weight of the 25 disk leaf. Here measure no? Then we are calculated disk leaf M3 have the 25 centimeter squared. Then total weight. Total weight means balance leaf weight and disk weight. That's why M3 plus M4. Then multiply by M3 plus M4. Okay. One of the things, after the leaf is very dry, you cannot remove the disk shape of part from leaves. That is very difficult because leaf is broken like that. Okay. Easily broken after the dry. Okay. That's why we are first time we are remove the disk and allow the dry to separate. Okay, remove balance leaf and disk leaf allowed to dry in separate. Okay, then after the drying, we cannot remove the disk leaf. That is very difficult. That's why we are doing like this. Okay. Then advantage, leaf area can be calculated or measured anytime. Okay, disadvantage, destructing method due to the removal of the leaves cannot be used for all the times. And measurement is taken immediately after the removal of leaves, because part of the water removed by the evaporation. Okay, then thickness of the leaf may be different. Okay, to reduce the error by collecting the leaves randomly from the plant. Okay, you can read. I will upload the notes. Okay, then here I have the planimeter method. This one also one of the important things. Okay, I will. Okay, I will show the video clip later. You have the some part in planimeter. Okay, you can look at it. This one is one of the arm. Okay, this one is important part. Here also ball. Here that's why this is called as ball arm. Okay, these are the things important part. This is composures for exam. You can take the screenshot. This one is vernier scale. Before measurement, you want to arrange the zero setting for vernier scale. Okay, this one is bead. Okay, this one is dial. This one is hinge. Okay, here ranging point. This one is ranging point. During the measurement time, you want to measure this one is 90 degrees. Okay. This one is needle point. Okay. This one raising arm. Okay. You want to index. Okay. You want to, this one is weight. Okay. This one is hanger arm. You want to identify the part during the spot exam. Okay. I will, okay, place the can creep on the center of the leaves. Okay, I will show the one video clip for this how to use the planimeter for measure the leaf area. Okay, then join the forearm. You know forearm, no? This one is the forearm. Okay, then forearm should be placed at the 90 degree to the can creep. Okay, then at this we want to, I already tell no, here have the vernier scale. Before that, we want to arrange the zero setting. Okay. Then move the clock direction and throw the edge to the starting point. Okay. You using that, this one is ranging point. You want to move that one is clock direction. This one is the clock direction. Okay. This one is not the anti-clock. Okay. This one is the clock direction. You want to move this one is clock direction. Okay. Then measure the scale. Okay. I will show the video clip that is how to function. I cannot bring this one is because this is broken in our laboratory. Okay. That's why I saw one video clip. Okay. Then at the third one is grid method or crab method. This one is very easily. Okay. You can, anyone we can use. Okay. Draw the diagram of the leaf on the craft paper. Okay, you want to draw that diagram and count the number of complete scar. Okay, then count the incomplete scar and attempt to make the complete scar to calculate the leaf area. Okay, advantage can be used for the non-destructive method. Okay, disadvantage, time is consuming method. Okay, I will take one crab sheet and we can draw the outline of this crab, this leaf. Then this crab sheet is one box is 1 centimeter square. You know. Okay, you are using in your O-level mathematics time and A-level physics or the exam also. Okay, one box is 1 centimeter square. Okay, after that we can say the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 complete blocks here available. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. 8 complete blocks available. Okay. Then we can assume, okay, this one is calf. Then you can join with the other calf. Okay. Here also I think near to calf. This one. Okay. Then you can join. Assume. Okay. You can join and you can calculate that area. This easy method, but this is not accurate method. Okay. We can get the accurate area. We cannot get the accurate area, but that is the difficult things in here. Okay. Then leaf standard method. Compare the leaf with standard leaf. Standard leaf mean no of the leaf area. Okay, one leaf you have the you already know that leaf area. Then you can compare with other leaf. Okay, this leaf equal to this leaf. Then this leaf have how much area? This one smaller than big, smaller than small. Okay, then you can count to. Okay, okay, we are compared with you know leaf area. What are leaf? You know very well that area. Then you compare with other leaf that leaf, and you can get the leaf area. This also can also be used non-destructive method. And disadvantage, time is consuming method. Okay, what difficult to find the different shape and size of the leaf and not accurate method. This is not accurate. This one also not accurate. This one also not accurate. But this method is very accurate method. Okay, this disc method or punch method. Okay, in your exam, in your spot exam, they are put some leaves, remove some disc. Okay, then put in specimen is A. Then B, they are using this specimen. Under this specimen, they can put the B. Then this specimen they can put the C, and then leave standard method and leaf area or electronic method. Here also you can, they have put the some specimen and under that they put the A, B, C, D, E like this. Okay, then identify the what are the specimen A, B, C, D, B. Then identify the parts of the specimen A, B, C, D. Okay, then usage. Then what is the method is most accurate? Okay, like that, ask some question. Okay, you can ready for that in your spot exam in final. Okay. Then this one is leaf area digital electronic method. Here not available in our laboratory. Okay, up to now, anyone have doubt? Then we can move to the non-destructive method. Anyone have? Please tell, otherwise how to I taken? Are you understood or not?
Understood.
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 Yes, sir.
Solius Sampath, I think AG 145. What is the name, Jua? AG 145.
Yes, sir.
What is the name?
Sadia Samar Singh.
Solius Samara Singh. Okay. Here also one staff in Solius Sampath. He is very dangerous. He is the warden of boys hostel. Okay. We are very dangerous guy. Okay. Okay. Up to now understood? Girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we will move to non-destructive method. Okay. Here I have the two methods. One is photo leaf area meter method. Second one is, okay, I mentioned here, teach here green leaf area method. Okay. That is electronic or digital balance like this one. Okay. I will teach how to this is function. Okay. I will teach. Okay. Then photo leaf area meter, I will have that device also. I bring it into now. I will show and how to measure. I will show in video. Okay. I will do also. Okay. Then non-destructive method. Photo leaf area method. Place the leaf above the sensor plate. This one is sensor plate. Okay. This one is sensor plate. Okay. Then ensure the objective within the scanning area. Then we want to put the object. Object means leaf in this sensor area. Okay. Then cover with the clear sheet. Then after that we want to cover it clear sheet. Because why are you covering? Because then after the I will tell, after the press scanner button, wait for double click. Okay. Why we want to cover? After that we want this this area we want to move to here above the leaf. Okay. Without covering, that leaf is easily damaged. Okay. And under the this here have some sensor that is also damaged. That's why we want to covering very clear area, clear part. Okay. After that, we can scanning. Okay, press the scanner button, wait for the double beep sound. Okay, presses with the scan roller over the object with the smooth, steady motion. Then pressing the down with gentle pressure. Okay, view the progress on the screen when the objective is fully scanned. Momently press the scan button again. Okay. Then after that, we want to put this one and click this one. Okay, then this one is moved to here. Okay, then automatically leaf shape come from this screen. Okay, this one, this leaf shape is this one. Okay, this was come here. Okay, then you can then after that scanning. Some sound is come. After that, we want to click again this button. Then we can calculate all the reading. This is available in JICA lab in our laboratory. This one also one of the that method. Okay, I will so come to this function. This one is portable leaf area meter. Okay, otherwise, so you can write it leaf area meter. That's enough. Okay, this one is
Meter method.
okay, leaf area meter method. That the method, but this equipment is leaf area meter. Okay, we will see. Okay, this is before that we want to remove this one and we want to adjust this one. Okay, click this two part. Click this one. Here have one side have, another side also have. We want to click and we can easily move this one. But I think we need. Okay, we can move it. Okay, this one is. Okay, I will already teach. No, this one is on button. Okay, this one is on button. Okay, after that, see clearly.
Yes.
Okay, then okay, then we want to put the leaf under the this one. Okay. Okay, now okay, I think. Okay. Okay, I put the leaf under the this area. Okay, then okay, then I want to adjust this one. This is come like this. Okay, here have the that reading. Okay, I will. Okay, then we are using this one. Okay, this have some scanning button. Okay, using this device, then here to here. Okay, then we can move this one here to. Okay, before that we want to starting this button. Okay, then move here to here. Okay, here to here. Okay, then after that ending this movement. Okay, this automatically comes some beep sound. Okay, then we can again put this red color button. Okay, then we can calculate all the reading, all the things. Okay, okay. Here you can see we are using this type of leaf. Here also screen like that leaf. Okay, then here coming under that area is 4,521 millimeters squared. There come is one is area. Area is 4,521 millimeters squared. Then width. Okay, width is 104.5 millimeter. Okay, then length also 900 5 millimeter. Okay, then also some cap. You can use it in your item in specifically. We are give some lot of sleeve. You want to measure. They are reading, and you want to measure it. Okay, that are okay important thing. Okay, are you on?
Understood. Understood, sir.
Name of this instrument is AM 350. This variety name. Okay, you have lot of instrument. Okay, we can put you put the leaf that is scanning button. Okay, then after that you have some interaction. Place the scanner over the leaf. Okay, press the red button and scan the leaf. Okay. Okay, after that, that leaf, we want to, some students ask why we are covering. Okay, after that, we want to covering this leaf, we are very clear sheet. Because of the reason, you can using without clear sheet, that is how can scanning is not possible, no? The clear, you are using is clear sheet, that the clear sheet only, we can use that scanner light inside the core, otherwise we can't go, no? We are using without clear, the cow is going that light through cow to reach the light, that leaf can't reach, no. That's why we can use the clear leaf, and we can covering because we can using normally that leaf is damaged. That's why we are covering what important. Then we can covering it also we can important to using the clear sheet. Okay, that is plus button. Okay, then scanning, the leaf also come. Okay, it's the leaf step. Okay, here also leaf step. This is not included. We want to measure only leaf. That side leaf is come. Then here's leaf display. Okay, you can see the width and length and area and lot of things by reading. Okay, these are the using. After that, you want to remove it. Okay, this is not need for you. Okay, but I will tell. This one is some charging material. This one is power. Okay, you can connect with power during the using them in laboratory. You can using outside before that you want to charge it. Okay, whenever charge is completed, here is light is working. Okay, then you can take it in your outside also, field also. Okay. This is the important things. Okay, don't have any important things. Okay, these are things important. Okay. Okay, time also going off. Okay, we will move next one. Okay, here error, holding the leaf may be cases error. Sometimes holding the leaves. Okay, then not maintain the optimum speed during the handling the meter. Okay, not maintain the optimum speed. Okay, advantage, quick and easy method, direct reading, accurate. Photo mean we can do runs in, we can bring it in laboratory also. Maybe use to the both destructive and non-destructive method. Disadvantage, need the electricity or power supply. High cost. I think this is we are. I am on the camera that time video. That time you can see that the background of my video. That is our fielding, Dekka fielding. That is cost a lot of things. Okay, I think for research purpose only, second year or first year or third year students are not allowed, only final year students. But if you are using some equipment, they will bring it. Okay, I think this equipment, I think more than 3 lakhs. But price is more than 3 lakhs. Okay, in your research time, it is scaled. Okay, then final method, length and width method. Okay, have the leaf area, maximum length and maximum width and coefficiency. What is the maximum length and maximum width and coefficiency? What is that? Here may mention 2 things. Maximum. What is the maximum length? Okay, we can use this is the as the one of the leaf. You can measure the length here. Also, this one also width. Okay, this one also width. This one also width. You can you can measure a lot of width. That's why here mention is maximum width. Maximum width means here to here. There is called the maximum. This one is maximum width. That's why length also, length is you can measure easily because here starting point to that finishing point or ending point. That is the length. This one also sometimes length. Here to here. That's why here putting is maximum length. Okay, I understood what is the meaning of maximum length and maximum width. Understood or not?
Yes. Can you
Yes, sir.
Okay, you want to explain again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, I didn't know inside the network system or parallel system. I didn't know because of issue to explain. Okay, you can here mention is maximum width and maximum length. Okay, length width mean always width is less than length. Okay, that's why width mean this reading. Okay, this reading mean here to here. This one also one of the width. This one also one of the width. This one also one of the width. But here mention is maximum width. Maximum width is high. Okay, here to here. This leaf is here to here is you can get the only high reading. Others is less than this reading. Okay, this is the maximum width. And maximum length mean this starting point to but leaf is ending point. Some leaf have some this shape of structure. Then ending side mean here to here. This is the ending point. Then you want to measure the with this length is here to here. Width mean here to here. Maximum point. Okay. This is the maximum length and width. I think you are understood. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. This is the maximum length and maximum width. Okay. Here we can calculate. Okay. Then, okay, their coefficiency value. Okay, coefficiency value means small a over capital A. What is the small a and what is the capital A? Small a mean that one. Okay. Small a mean leaf area. Okay. Leaf area is small a and capital A mean multiply of width and length. W and L. Multiply of W and L is the capital A. Into any equipment you are how to calculate the area. You width and multiply the width and length. That is the area. That's why here also capital A mean, not I am telling is the capital A is area. Area mean W into L. Then so coefficiency mean A over W into L. Then you can find it. Here some example. Mace coefficient is 0.78 and so on 0.75. Okay, they are here. Okay, here I have the some width and length. Okay, here I put this here to here is W width. Here to here is length. Then this leave here to here width. And here to here length. Okay, then you can difficult to count this is the maximum point or this so maximum point. You can make some line, give to draw this one and measure here to here. Like that, draw this one and draw this one here to here. Then this one, also one of the leaf. Okay, here with this one, length is this one. Then you can not draw the here to here. You can mention it. I telling starting point to ending point. This is the starting point. You can check my arrow how to move is. This is the starting point. This one is ending point. Then starting point here. This one ending point. This is the length. And here also have you can measure with this easily. This one and difficult. Length also easily. When here to here, you can mention it. Maximum, this one. Okay. Then you can measure this one. Okay. Then with here to here, this is the starting point. This one is ending point. That is the length. Okay. You want to clear it. Okay. That is sometimes they will put this type of leaf. And you want to find it wind and less than coefficiency and lot of things. Then one is you are writing is wrong, others all marks are lost. Automatically you can lose other marks also. Okay, advantage of this method, easy method and quick method and low cost and destructive and non-destructive method. Without remove also we can draw. We can measure it. Disadvantage, non-accurate for dichotomous plant. That is the difficult thing. Okay, measurement of the weight. Weight measurement is lot of available up to now. Previous generation, I think they didn't use the digital method, digital balance. But nowadays you are using is the digital balance also. Okay, this one is the one of the digital balance. This one is a dribble beam balance. Okay, then top loading balance. Okay, you want to draw these are the picture in your practical workout. You want to draw it, this one. And this all the things, this area, this one, and no need draw this one, this one, this one. You want to draw in all the picture in your practical record book. Okay. I didn't make until now any practical record because of the lot of exam duty. That's why I didn't check. I will check coming day because we are in nowadays in university or we are saying in coastal because that's why we low work, no? That's why we can using. Okay. One more thing, we are making the Gindu temple in our premise in university. Okay, other temple also available, more Buddhist temple and Muslim temples and Christian temple also available. Our Hindu temple also now working is going on. In this way also some rich people have, I think, I don't know, have or not. You have, if you need someone to give the donation, you can put the donation. You can search in your Facebook, Arulmigu Siddhi Vinayaka Alayam. Their account number also available. If you need, you can put it. Okay. Then the other important measurement of the weight. Okay. you can draw it into a practical book. Okay. Then digital balance or electronic balance. Digital balance, we can get the reading in the digital way. That's why it is called as digital balance. Electronic device, we can using electronic or electric power. That's why it's called as electronic balance. Okay. Level the balance and switch the power. Level the balance. We want to, before the starting, we want to set the zero setting. Okay, then switch the power and wait until zero is displayed in the digital display unit. And place the object to be weighted at the center of the band. Okay, then take the digital reading also. Then advantage, it is used to measure the accurate weight, and it can be used 3 digital decimal decimal in gram. Disadvantage, power of the electricity is needed. Then the uploading balance, it is used to the measure the approximate weight. Okay. Then will be balance, it is used to measure the approximate weight of the solid. Okay. Liquid or anything we can't measure. Okay. Then the discussion, importance of calculating the leaf area. You can search and refer and write it. What are the importance of the calculating the leaf area, and write the maximum and minimum value of the being. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, you can go to church and write it, because I can't tell everything in the lectures because we are limited time and we can't talk. Lectures also going in Zoom, no? That's why we can't check it. Okay, you can search and write it. Anything you want to ask from me? If you need anything, you can ask now.
Good grammar. But if you
Tell me, otherwise how do I understand? You all keep silent. You are
No, sir.
answering, you are wait until 4 o'clock. Are you understood all the things in today's lectures?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
understood.
Then planimeter, I send one of the YouTube link. That is, they are not measure any leaf, but they are measure some area. That's why you put here. You can go and see that video. I already sent the link in the chat box. Please, you can check it.
Tablets that are tailored to your needs. Connect your social media and grow it all with
When you are submitted, today. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Abhisan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can note it as some index number. I will tell. Okay, someone, sir, please send the Gmail to submit the practical. I am LMS account. Okay, that's why I will send my email address or arrange any better way. Okay, I will tell to later to your representative. Okay, sir, link is not available in the chat box. I send it link. Okay. Okay, then I will send that link through again.